Probando. Ok, ok. Ok. Eh, yeah, good night. Good. Hi. Yeah, hi. Hi. So yeah, as I said before, I want to stream all the changes I do to my mod before release. I have been updating my Patreon page to reflect that, and I want to keep doing this at least until I finish what is left for my mod to be able to release it. Uh, I want to push myself to that because it has been a while since I wanted to do it, and I mean I am in a good place to focus on that. So yeah, this is a good opportunity. Um, so yeah, today I want to add a saving uh, capabilities to my mod, like saving to a file. Maybe if I have enough time to actually save morph profiles, so that you can choose different kind of morphs depending on your taste, or maybe share your configurations to someone else. Yeah, that will be kind of cool actually. So yeah, I will try to do that. This will be mostly a programming stream. I don't think I will spend much time, if at all, playing Skyrim, testing the mods. The mod. What is happening? This is weird. Mm, yeah, I don't know. Okay, let's try again because that was weird. Oh, I can see now. Okay, we can work with that. I don't know why this is happening. But yeah, uh, this is weird. Okay, so yeah. Mm, um, oh well. Yeah, it's okay. So yeah, mostly it will be mostly programming. Um, so yeah, let's get to it. Mm, mhm. I will move this one here, and hopefully, yeah, no, okay, everything looks good. Mhm, mhm. Um, so I switched monitor positions, and apparently it's making all my windows get very messed up. So I'm sorry about that. Oh yeah, there we go. Um, Fit, that's better. Okay. Okay, so mm, okay, yeah, this will be a problem. I need a keyboard. Okay, so we can mm, search for Papyrus Sutil. Do I have it installed? I mean, I should have. Let's open it. Perfect. Um, Papyrus Sutil. Okay. So this mod, my mod has a dependency on, which is called Papyrus Sutil. Actually, it comes with a package of several yeah, you could call it utilities, scripting utilities to allow you to do extra stuff you usually can't do with what Skyrim script extender does. So yeah, for example, this one is for actors or NPCs. I mean, it can also be used for the main character, but yeah, we don't not need that right now. This is one. This is the one we need. This is for saving stuff in a JSON file. So I will need to go through this file to see what which functions will help me on the implementation. And let's see if I can use everything else from the other files coming from this package. Uh, Console, no rotation, no. Object util is not used apparently, and Papyrus util. If I remember well, Papyrus util also has, I mean, if I remember well, this one also has stuff to help save stuff in files. Mm, okay, looks like it was updated, so yeah, JSON util is the one we need. Mm, we have load file, save file, unload file. Mm, I will I wish there were more in-depth descriptions for these methods because I don't know what unload file will be used for. Same changes minify is not the same as save. Oh no, mm, I guess it will be save and close. Maybe is pending save is good. For example, we have actually information for all of those functions, but not for those three ones. So this is a little weird. Okay, yeah, no, I can see the description. iData config station JSON applied. Okay. You do not need to call load or save manually unless you have a specific need to. Okay. When the player saves their game, any modified file will be automatically saved. written to or created if it does not exist. When the player loads another save without saving themselves or the save function having been manually called by a script, the loaded data will be discarded and revert back to whatever the contents of the current save file are. Okay. Um, I don't like, I would not like to implement it that way because, mm, I mean, how many times your Skyrim installation tends to crash or just fail in any way? So waiting to save changes until you save your normal file will not be a very good idea. I mean, there is an option to force it, so I think it's better to use that. Mm-hmm. Mm, okay. I don't know if there is any similarities to Fizz. I would like to check on that actually. Okay, nothing to see here. Load, save, set, script, get version, begin load, and load. Yeah, this is a little bit different. And if I remember well, there was a mod that I was looking at that used Papyrus Util capabilities for saving. So it will be a good idea to look at that to use it as an example because I still have some doubts about how is this supposed to be implemented. Let me check. Mhm. I mean, I did this implementation, so that one will help quite quite a bit. This is for loading. Oh, I have an idea. Let me check something very quick. Mm-hmm. I remember Frostfall has saving capabilities, but I don't know if it uses the same framework as Papyrus Util. Storage Util is another framework, I guess. Oh, let me check again. Mm, Storage Util. Yep. Okay. Yeah, it is a good example. I guess this is the best idea. So okay, I will take as a example. I will take some of those mod is implemented for web function Redux, Potion and Corklis. I don't know for CB is also using it. Mm, I guess I can just load. The best example will be probably with function redux. So yeah, okay. So yeah, this is usually I do not always do it this way, but I guess is the quickest and easiest way to implement a new stuff is to look for other mods that have done this already and take their code as an example to understand how to do things and how to implement it in the most clean way, most bug-free way. Yeah, because I will start from scratch trying to implement it, but I'm pretty sure it will take me a lot more time to just try to figure out how to do things correctly. So yeah, this is kind of like a shortcut, but not really because this is usually how programming works. If you know what I mean. Uh, s- Sometimes things get uh, so complicated, so complex that you need to look at the references and stuff like that to understand how to do it. Mhm. So yeah, what function uses this to save stuff? Get float, get value, set value, has value, unset value, list add, list get set has, use count clear. Mm, interesting. Where do they define the file to save stuff? I will need to check on that. Yeah, collapse all. Storage util is get int value. So we have object key, which is form to get from. Yeah, those functions let you define if you want to save this information attached specifically to an object in the game, like for example an NPC or just a random object in the game. Uh, you can for this I could actually link the information to the main character, but because the main character is the only one affected by this, I feel it will not have any case. I mean, for future proofing, it will be a nice idea to define a specific form so that I could apply my mod to different characters in the future, which is not something I am thinking on doing soon because it will take quite a bit more of implementation and testing to apply my mod mechanics to other characters beyond the main character. But yeah, I guess for future proofing, I can already specify for which object to save this information. Which yeah, I guess it's a good idea. Key name is name of the value. Okay. Optional missing. If the value has not been sent, set to this value instead. Sure, no problem. I still need to know where the file is stored because I don't see any kind of information about that. I mean, this of course is um. Oh, this is a different file actually. Oh no, this is storage. This is not. This does not save to a file. This only saves to a specific um, in-game data. This is the one I'm looking for. Okay, I mean, sounds nice. So yeah, JSON Hotel is the one I need to use for this. I mean, I can still use this one. Mm, it just has this proxy to jump to the correct function in a different file, so there should be no problems here. Set in value. Hmm, okay. I don't know. Yeah, that's the reason why it's important to do some research before implementing something, because sometimes there is a easier way to do the implementation. So yeah, this is actually the easier way, which is the one I already have found before. But yeah, just to be sure, doesn't hurt to be sure to try to always be uh, to ensure the information is the best. The option is the best one. Which opens the question, as have other mods already used this one before? That is something I want to know. Has other mods already have been implemented? I guess they should have. Hello, hi, Foster Mem. I'm sorry for butchering your name. Foster Mermanine. Hello. Sorry for bothering you. I want to offer promotion for your channel. Okay. Okay, thank you for the offer. Unfortunately, I am kind of short of income right now. So, yeah, sorry about that. Kind of sounds like a bot. Oh well, shit happens, I guess. Weird. Why is chat not showing up? Is it showing up? Why is not showing up? Yeah, this is weird. Oh, what? Hmm, who knows? But yeah. Okay, animated potion script. Interesting. Cathedral Weathers MCM. Easy. What is easy? I don't know what easy is. Oh, I know that. Easy config for MCM. Okay. Okay. I do use this mod sometimes, so yeah, this is a nice example. Load profiles. Names. All right. Mm-hmm. So yeah, this mod is using JSON for that, which is a very nice example because I already have worked with that with this mod before. Yeah, yeah, nice, very nice. I can work with that. Although, um, we have saving and we have MCM. I guess the one we need is saving. Import hair file. Okay. Let's see. Um, option save settings. So when you click on save settings, it goes to export settings. All right. Defines the name of the file and then dumps everything here. And that's it. Okay. Looks easy enough. Which begs the question for myself to implement my own exclusive saving script for this. It looks like I will have to add a new quest, which I don't feel is necessary. So, okay, yeah, no problem. I will use this as a base for my own mod as an example. Okay, so what I do is just hide this stuff, clone to a different view, and then open this other script. Okay. So first of all, we should have to add the option to. This is not the one I need to clone. The options in the menu. Clone to the view. There you go. Yeah. I don't see the scroll bar. Where is the scroll bar? I don't see it. Where is the scroll bar? Why is hide? Why is hidden? Oh, this is weird. Okay. Um, this is the menu on page reset. I need to check on a reference to see. Mm, come on. Yeah, this is a problem. I need to look for a reference. Um, uh-huh. This is way more. Okay, I need to censor some of that, so better to pull that out. Mm-hmm. Okay. Uh, page 0. Where would I put those options? Actually, I need to do something before that. Something that has been bothering me for some. I need to remember to fix this stuff also. So I need to add that to do. Before I forget, mm, buscar reward, maximum muscle score. Okay, this is the one. We don't need this one. And all menus will shift, so I need to add an extra empty options. 1, 2, 3. 1, 4, 5. Should be 5. Mm-hmm. 5. If I remember remove that, it will be 4. So yeah, it's okay. I feel I need to add a different page for that because there are already a lot of options here. It's becoming a little cluttered. Mm, mm, okay, I want to do something else also because I will want to not only save main options but also save and load profiles, which will be 4 different options. Save main options, load main options, save profile, load profile, and also an option to load a specific profiles with a specific name and save a specific profiles with a different name. So that will be 6 different options, which will be a nice idea to have a new page for that. So yeah, I feel like mm, I should do that, which is an extra different step to do here. Maybe I will l- l- let that for a different day. For now, I want to focus on the functionality implementation. So after that, I will probably make a different page for that because it will take time, but I still need to do it anyways. So okay, yeah, fuck shit, whatever. I do it. I will do it right now. Need to add a new page. So mm, it will be here. Mm, Reload. It will be called uh, save and load, and then it will be 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. Uh, 5, 6. My keyboard got stuck. This is bad. There you go. 2 and 3. Yeah. And every other reference to pages need to be updated also, so I also need to check on that. For example, if pages, fuck, there are a lot of references. You know what? This is getting a little too complex, so there is an easier way to do it. I still need that, but I will move this to here. So then it will be, and also here. So then it will be 4, 5, 6, and 1, 2, 3. I still need to look for pages. No, not all, just this one. So 5 will be, yeah, we are actually looking for page 5 specifically. Because we are switching them up. So yeah, is this one. So instead of 5 will be 6, and instead of 2 will be 3. 5, 6, or 3. Yeah, yeah. It's not as complicated as I was thinking, but it's still better to move it in the way I did now to avoid some extra complications. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. FT 85. Yeah. Okay, so what I, what is left to do is add the functionality here, which is just copy this, paste here, add page 5 or page 2. Okay. So what we will add for that page is um, one. Okay, let's just add as a comment. Save options. I mean, load up options. Save morphs. Load morphs. Save new morph profile and load existing mod profile. Yeah, those are the six options. Let's go to save. Is a toggle option. I mean, yeah, I was thinking of something else. But yeah, toggle option. Is this the right way to do it? No, it is not the right way to do it. Bookmark. There you. This is the right way to do it. Another bookmark. Uh, okay. My save options. İbne save settings. Why is false setting? What is false for? What is false for? False. Is not open? Okay, no, there it is. Checked. Ah, okay, if it's original checked. I guess not. So yeah. Save settings, then it will be load, load, then it will be save more. Okay, let's use Ipen. What's the name for having all first letters as what's the name? Uppercase. I don't remember. But yeah. Save, load, say morphs, then it will be load morphs. Then it will be okay, so for profiles, it will have to be a very specific mechanic, I guess. I will add the option anyways. But yeah, this will need a specific mechanic to it or logic to it. The morphs profile. And load morphs profile. Also, I will want the order to be up, no, up, down, left, right. No, it is okay actually. Okay, so uh, now we have the options, and then we can just What can we do here? Say, okay. What we need to do now is wait. Create variables for these ones. Let's go to the beginning. Yeah, right here. Mm, so there are 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Save options. Load options. Save more. Load more. Save profile. And load profile. Then mm, we will want to add the actual functionality for them. An option select. Should be something like this. This is an else if. For save and load. Okay, we don't need to toggle any value, and we actually don't need to. I mean, I guess we could. Um, I don't know. I will have to think about that more. Uh, Focus more on that, but this is not important right now. So let's go directly to the functionality. Also, I mean, not right now, but need to create for every single option. So yeah, for now I will let them empty just to have them as a placeholder. So 3, 4, 5, 6. So it will be load, save more, load more, save options, y load more profile. Load profile, save profile, load more, save more, load options, save options. Alright, looks good, everything looks okay. Let's keep going. Descriptions, yeah, it will be a nice idea to add descriptions. And save with something like this. And that will be the template 3, 4, 5, 6 for all of the other options. Again, morphs, morphs, profile, profile, aesthetics from an external file, save, add morphs to an external file, other morphs to an external file, save, to specific file, and add morph from a specific profile file. Okay, this is the toggle option, and yeah, okay, so let's go back to focus on the functionality. Okay, need to check if everything is working correctly. All right, yeah, that is something that happens. Mm, this is a fins. I don't have fins installed, so I need to. I will have to eventually remove this, but it's not necessary. It's always good to have support for fins. I mean, I was using it until recently, so I'm pretty sure there are other people who still use it. So yeah, I need the original script files. This can be a problem, but I just need to keep the script files around. No big issue. Mm, okay, yeah, that happens. Okay, let's try again. So yeah, succeed. This is the most basic um, structure for a new page in the MCM m- mod section or page or whatever. Actually, I want to run the game very quickly just to check the structure of the menu, but I don't know. I will have to move my windows around, but so maybe I will leave it for the end of the stream. After I finish implementing at least two of them. So yeah, saves. This is where we need to go here. So we should have a name for we should define a name for our save file. So it will be like string file name. Um, no need to add a specific folder. Use name of the file. Well, it will be like settings. I can add a JSON, but as far as I know, this is not necessary. So I will try like this, just the single name. Then we should have to save everything here, every single option, which is not that complicated if we know where to look at, because there are quite a bit of references here. I still need to add bookmarks by just to be sure. Okay, so actually I will need to it will be helpful if I go like this, and go through all the options. So we have let me check again. Is until that all, well, most of them are booleans, so it will make sense to be named like that, but I don't see it activating, so I will look for what is happening. In float string form, there are no set for booleans. This is weird. Weird. Weird. Why? Okay, yeah, I know. It can be saved as integer. Yeah, no problem. String form, yeah, can be set as an integer. Actually, the other mod does it like that. So yeah, set int. Yeah, there shouldn't be a problem. There should not be any problem. We have file name. What's the name of the thing we want to save? And the value for that thing, which should be something like this. And then we also need interesting. Yeah, just like that. Okay, so going back to this, we already have a list of the stuff we need to save. right here. So it will be this value, save it as this name, and just do it like this for every other options here, which there are quite a bit, so need to do some copy pasting. Yeah, something like this. I think there are not that much, so yeah, should be fine like this. Yeah, we need for hardcore mode, we need for selected body, I guess, yeah, we should need for that. That one is an integer, if I remember well. Need to move this a little to the right. So enable hardcore mode selected body, disable normals, yeah, important. Default morphs, maybe not necessary. Stamina, yeah, important. Speed multipliers, yeah, also important. I mean, yeah, all of them are important, I guess. Combat proficiency. Carry weight boost. Muscle score max. Um, what else? Mm, okay, this one is informative, no, not necessary. Loss multiplier. Gains for fighting. Gains for using heavy armor. Gains for doing other things. What else? Waymorphs. We need to save for malnourishment. Malnourishment. Quite important also. I also need to check what type of data this one is. It might be float. It is float, so we need to change this one for float. Um, actually, the other ones are also float. Mm, all the multipliers, I wanna guess they are also floats. So yeah, need to check on that. Yeah, that's one is float. Also float. I mean, pretty sure it is float. Mult, mult, mass should be float also. Yeah. Carry weight boost. If I remember well, that one is Boolean. No. What is what? Oh no, it is also float. Okay. Combat proficiency. I don't remember. Is that? No, there is that is also float. Speed. Also float. Stamina gonna is also float. Disable norm. That's one Boolean, Boolean, Boolean, Boolean. Okay. So stamina, speed, combat proficiency, again, should be float, it is float. Carry weight boost, already look at that. Loss, all the mods are floats, okay. Malnourishment is float, we already look to that. No, here. I guess also here, okay. What else? This is this is Boolean. I remember that as Boolean. Also Boolean. Also Boolean. Yep. Mm, oh shit. I mean, it is still a local value. And yeah, it is a Boolean. Also Boolean. And I will need more space for this. Mm, remove waymores? What is that option? What? I don't remember that. What is that option for? I don't remember that. It's never used. I don't remember that. What is that option for? It is after TF. Okay, okay, okay. Yeah, I do remember now. I mean, well, yeah, it is something. What is info key? I gonna guess this is an integer. It is an integer. What else? Custom muscle. Oh well. It should be this one. And that one is also a float, if I remember well. Yeah. What else? Selected body is already here. Yeah, it is. Also, selected body is, and it is an integer, no problem. And we go to the morph values. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah, nothing else to do here. Yeah. I missed by two options only. That was a good guess. Okay, this is for saving. Looking at the other mod example, as the other mod as an example, It looks like this is the things we need to do and nothing else. Set. Oh, we need to add save at the end. Yeah, that makes sense. So it will be some deal save name name. Why it is false? Why it is false? Minify. Okay, yeah. I guess no, we don't want to minify. So yeah. Mm, JSON util. Okay. So yeah, that's everything for saving. We will need to load, so code will be quite similar, I'm gonna guess. So yeah, let's just copy paste all of this. Just paste them here. Um, file, file name still there. Instead of offset, we need to change it to get. So let's just do that. No, find. Replace to get. Replace, no, what? No, what happened? Nothing happened. Okay, again. Interesting. Case. Okay, replace. Actually, mm, I am noticing something. There is an empty space here. I want to remove that. So yeah, we do this. Replace. There you go. And also for this. As far as I know, it should not be any problems with that space, but I want my code to be kept cleaner. So to be more understandable. So yeah, just remove not needed extra spaces. Okay, so yeah, we have get, we have file name, we have the key, and we have the value, I guess. I don't know why it is repeated, but yeah, it is a little weird. I want to check on that. Collapse. JSON. It says file name key. I mean file name key, and if it is missing. Mm, interesting. I don't know why it is doing it this way, but yeah, it should not be like that, as far as I know. Let's just compile and see if it throws any errors. I'm pretty sure it will throw something. because I am not sure about this code. Compile. And yep, interesting. Mm, so line 645, which is should be 645. This one. It says it's missing parameter type mismatch. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. What I need to do is for every setting value, I need to change them to, I need to add as int because it's the same as this one. So yeah, hardcore mode is a boolean, selected body is an integer. No need to check on that. Disable normals is a boolean, stamina is, all of those are floats. This is boolean, boolean, boolean, boolean, boolean, boolean, boolean. This is an integer and this is a float. Yep. Let's see what happens. It's the same error but for the other group. I am guessing 673, yeah, this line. So yeah, just need to, I want to remove the extra code because I don't feel it helps anyway. Okay, let's start from the comma, the colon. And see what happens. All right, no errors, perfect. Hmm. Mm, Now that I think of it, it will be nice to add a default value. So yeah, that's why they were here. Well, no problem. Just add this to it. So the first 1, 2, and 4. 1, 2, and 4. Then all of them, almost all of them. Okay, yeah, best idea. You see, this is exactly why I like to take reference from other code because at first it didn't occur to me to pull these values as default, but it will make a lot of sense. If what this code does is like if tries to look for this file, if the file is not available, doesn't exist, I mean, it will pull the values from the variables, and those variables, when you run the mod for the first time, it will just pull the default values stored in them. So it works as loading default values, I guess. So yeah, this is now for so yeah, we had done for save and for load. Other thing I would like to do is to refresh the mod page, because all those values will be changed probably. So I want to look on that. I actually don't need to search for this, because it is something I implemented in weight morphs load load settings. Yeah, this is the code I wanted to look for. You will force a page reset, so all the values are reflected in the menu correctly. All right. Mm, yeah. So for morphs, I will take a different approach, because I already store those values in Papyrus util array data. So nothing more that to there is nothing more that to pull the functions I already have for that. Um, it will be something like, no, not all, just this specific file. This is the one. Oh, highlight list. Yeah, load default profile. Oh no, this is not what I wanted to do. No, it's not for the default, it's for something else. What will be it? Yeah, no. I actually need to create a new function. hmm I also need to fix this code. I, I, I, I think. Okay. Yeah, so there is a different option here actually for pulling, not the false, but a specific body morphs. No, no, it is that one. Okay, yeah, I need to check on that then. Ah, well, I already have an hour and a half streaming, so I will end it here. I want to try, as I said at the beginning, I want to try these changes. So yeah, let's just go do that. Um, I don't need this anymore. Okay, so background, window, display. Okay, I don't need to switch windows, so yeah, there is that. I can see now what happened. Okay, let's run the game. All right. Mm, yeah, I feel it will be best to do a new. I mean, it's only for Waymore, so it should be no problem. Yes, load this one. Okay. Let's see what we can get from this. Oh shit. Okay, I need to fix that. Alright. First of all, I need to check my settings are unique. For example, stamina modifier. Let's get it up to 20 maybe. Speed modifier also 20. Combat proficiency 20 is okay. No, that will revert with 10. Carry weight 50 is okay. Lost, fight, heavy, default, malnourishment. Let's get it up to 90. Sick is okay. And this one, get it up to 45. Okay, so yeah, so options are a little more unique, so we can just go to save and load, press save, and I still need to add some kind of feedback to inform that it was done correctly. So yeah, I still need to add that. Anyway, it will probably work correctly, so let's just load a different character. So that was Olenia Shistka. Let's try with other characters like this one. It was this one? I don't know. Just making sure it is a different character.
Ulfric Stormcloak. Some here in Helgen call you a hero, but a hero doesn't use a power like the voice to murder his king and usurp his throne. You started this war, plunged Skyrim into chaos, and now the Empire is going to put you down and restore the peace.
What was that?
It's nothing. Carry on.
Yes, General Tullius. Give them their last rites.
As we commend your souls to Aetherius, blessings of the eight divines upon
For the love of Talos, shut up and let's get this over.
Learn our... As you wish.
Come on! I haven't got all morning. My ancestors are smiling at me, Imperials. Can you say the same?
You Imperial bastards!
Justice!
Death to the Stormcloaks!
As fearless in death as he was in life.
Next, the Red Guard.
Here it is again. Did you hear that?
I said, next prisoner.
To the block, prisoner. Nice and easy.
What in oblivion is that?
Sentries, what do you see?
It's in the clouds!
What is that thing? Could the legends be true?
Legends don't burn down villages.
We need to move now!
Yeah, there is a good way to check if this is working correctly now. Oh, perfect. Load user settings. Yeah, please. Okay. Let's see, did it work? Oh yeah!
This way,
Nice.
friend.
Yeah, way
We'll
better.
get the whole tower.
Way better.
We just need to move some of these rocks. Let's go! Get back!
Which means that, I mean,
See the inn on the other side? Jump through the roof and keep going.
Go!
Okay.
We'll follow when we can.
Yeah.
Hammond, you need to get over here. Now! Nada, boy. You're doing great. Turo! Still alive, prisoner? Keep close to me if you want to stay that way. Gunnar, take care of the boy. I have to find General Tullius and join the defense. God's guide you, Hadlon.
yeah.
Stay close to the wall! Quickly, follow me!
I need to fix that. I forgot about that. God damn it. Oh well. Ah shit. Yeah, I need to disable that.
Ulfric Stormcloak. Some here in Helgen call you a hero, but a hero doesn't use a power like the voice to murder his king and usurp his throne. You started this war, plunged Skyrim into chaos, and now the Empire is going to put you down and restore the peace.
What was that?
It's nothing. Carry on.
Yes, General Tullius. Give them their last rites.
As we commend your souls to Aetherius, blessings of the eight divines upon
For the love of Talos, shut up and let's get this over with.
Learn as you wish.
Interesting.
Come on! I haven't got all morning. My ancestors are smiling at me, Imperials. Can you say the same?
You Imperial bastards!
Justice!
Death to the Stormcloaks!
As fearless in death as he was in life.
Next, the Red Guard.
Here it is again. Did you hear that?
I said, next prisoner.
To the block, prisoner. Nice and easy.
What in oblivion is that?
Sentries, what do you see?
It's in the clouds!
Dragon!
What does it take to kill them? Get them! Come on! With all Romulus and the chat! This way!
Oh shit.
Jarl, what is that thing? Could the legends be true?
Very nice. I need to disable this.
Legends don't.
And also, again, I need to fix this.
tower. Let's go.
I noticed something else. Force to Skyrim. Okay.
Up the stairs, quickly. Carry this one on our backs. This way, friend. Move. We just need to move some of these rocks to clear the way. With me. Up the tower. See the inn on the other side. Jump through the roof and keep going. Go. We'll follow when we can.
No, it is still porting. This is a problem. It's a real problem.
Hemi, you need to get over here. Now! You're doing great. Coral! Everyone get back!
I mean, he's
Still
alive.
alive, prisoner? Keep close to me if you want to stay that way. Gunnar, take care of the boy. I have to find General Tullius and join the defense. God's guide you, Headlong. Stay close to the
Come
wall!
on. Really? I have to say.
Quickly, follow me! It's you and me, prisoner! Stay close! Nothing kills it! Layla, you damn traitor! Out of my way!
We're escaping, Headlock. You're not stopping us this time.
Fine! I hope that dragon takes you all to Sovereign Guard! With me, prisoner! Let's go!
Okay.
Through here! Let's go!
Okay, okay. At least.
We'll meet again in Sovngarde, brother.
Let's see what I'm like.
Looks like we're the only ones who made it.
I need to add an option to this mod to save, to load and save settings because it is very bare bones. It doesn't have anything like that. Oh well.
That thing was a dragon. No doubt. Just like the children's stories and the legends.
Yep.
The harbingers of the end times. We better get moving. Come here. Let me see if I can get those bindings off.
Okay.
There you go. You may as well take Gunnar's gear. He won't be needing it anymore.
Okay, I don't need to fix that. Horizontal is okay, vertical. Let's see what happens. No, goodbye.
Gunnar isn't coming back from the...
Actually, I feel should be something like this and something like that, and then yeah, and yeah, some maybe not that much. Yeah.
Take his armor and anything else on him.
Yeah, no, it is okay.
All right. Get that armor on, and give that axe a few swings. I'm going to see if I can find some way out of here.
Okay, I want to load the profile from uh, Wemorphs. this is the message I want to add to my mod. This is the thing it was missing for me to add. Yeah. Perfect.
Ah, this one's locked. Let's see about that gate.
And we also can close from our mod now. Let's enable it. Yep.
No way to open this from our side.
CV. Alright. Everything else should be loaded by the option settings. Right now it is 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 25. Yeah, so there are just default values. Okay, now to load the options. Load settings. Yeah, I don't know. No, it's not working. I need to add extra stuff to check on that.
Come on,
It's the
soldier!
Imperials!
Keep moving!
Take cover!
Okay, I still need to equip this stuff.
It's the Imperials!
Get this gate
Take cover!
For Afric and Skyrim!
Just a scratch. This what you want? Huh?
I'm on your side!
Sorry. Oh shit. Okay, thanks.
Maybe one of these Imperials have the key. Let's see here. Here we are. Found the key. Let's see if it opens that door.
No, vertical. Oh fuck.
Come on.
Yeah.
Let's get out of here before the dragon
forgot
brings
about
the
that.
whole tower down on our heads.
And also yeah, these are okay. Save. And wait. Right. So it will better for me to fix something before continuing. I am risking a lot of stuff just because of the body replacers. So it is better to be sure to not risk a nudity. yeah, so oh yeah, that's the problem. With switching screens, everything gets mess up. So I need to fix it every time. Well, so yeah, the option for waymarks, I did implement them, so I can just copy paste because that was something I did before. Uh, Save. Yeah, I need to mm, implement these mechanics. Mhm. And save. Mhm. Yeah, I should have done that since the beginning. Well, anyways, clone. Okay. Also, I wanted to add some spaces to the menu options for save and load, just to keep them a little more organized. And also fix a problem with the number of pages in the menu. I was not aware of that. So yeah, we have an out of bounds exception here. Out of bounds problem. Yeah. Okay. So let's go for save. I'm just going to copy all of this, but still I also need to move all of this in a different function. State, state, function. Mark, copy all of this. One more again, paste. Okay. So save return something. Oh, save return sub-boolean. Saves again. When the player saves their game, given the file name argument, the file name with the station will be appended. You don't need to call load or save manually. When the player saves their game, any modified file will be automatically saved, written to or created if it does not exist. When the player loads another save without saving themselves or the save function having been manually called, the loaded data will be discarded and revert back to whatever the contents of the current save file are. So they don't tell me what value is being returned here. Again, there is missing some crucial information for those specific functions, but anyway, I can guess, I guess, I can guess what this value is about. So yeah, I will try that. Save options, save settings. Okay, this is the one I was looking for. Okay. Again, let's go back here and just copy all of this. Of course, we need to add some changes, but there should be not much of an issue. This one I don't like how it's named as allow save, not load. Save. Three of them. Okay. Begin load. Okay, but this is for this. We don't. We should not do this here. We need to check if the file name exists. How can we look up for that? Let's see all the functions this file offers. We have load, save, load, pending is good. What this function does? It is good. Check if the given file was successfully loaded and has no JSON parser errors. Okay. Returns a list of all file names in a given folder that end in JSON. That will help. Or we have JSON exists. Check if a JSON file exists or not. Yeah, this is the one we need. It's exactly the one we need. So field exists, and we check for this one. Yeah. This is a boolean. I mean, we don't need to add created that value. We can just put it here. This file doesn't exist, we show. I mean, no, it's okay. We show user settings already present. Do you want to override them? Then allow save. And then we'll go here. We need to set option flags for, I mean, yeah. Disable. And then we call save settings. I guess we will return whatever this one throws at us. I mean, it should return volume. Yeah, there you go. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Again. Like this. And same for loading. First we need to yeah, only this. Should be something like function settings. Then we have all of those stuff. Then we have and then functions. Yeah. Load. Okay. So for loading, this is not the one I'm looking for. This is the one. Okay. For loading, it will be something like, I mean, I can again just copy all of this. Show message. Do you want to load previously saved settings? Warning. All your current settings will be overridden. Including. Okay, this is not included here. This is not included here. Again, disable. Settings. I can check for that. I mean, we don't need this. We don't need a page reset. Yeah. I mean, we could move this down here. And just put this here. And turn this into a folder. Yeah. So it's if this happens, if not, it will be an error. I add all the other options here. Yeah, because I don't think it will be a good idea to have other save and load options enabled when we are doing a save or load option in any file. So all of them should be disabled for this process. And at the end, we just put the flag to none. Same for this option. Yeah. Also, I want to check if well, okay, no. First, let's compile it to see if there is any error. Oh, succeed. Perfect. Okay, so yeah, I also want to check if a file was created or the problem was when trying to save. Yeah, a file was successfully created. There it is, and it has all the options saved. Carry weight boost, combat proficiency, malnourishment, gain, loss, muscle score max, muscle score, NPC. Yeah, everything's here. Change head part, disable normals. It is enabled, it king. Yeah, everything's here. At least on this side of the code, everything went well. Changes were saved correctly. Oh fuck, I just realized my microphone was away from me. I hope my voice was correctly recorded. Oh well, yeah. Okay, so yeah, saving was correct. It was saved correctly. There is no issue here. Everything looks good, but the loading was apparently the problem, so we need to check on that. Why is not working? Why loading is not working? We have this file name. Mm, we have the get value. Oh, come on! What? Oh shit! I am. Oh, what I was thinking. Really, what I was thinking. Okay, so we are trying to pull the values, but we are not saving them anywhere. So yeah, of course we will not um, have any changes because we did not save them anywhere anyway. Oh well, my mistake. From here. Yeah, my mistake. Okay, so replace. Okay, and then we use replace this. Of course, there will be a problem with the values, type of the values. So we will have to go through them one by one, by depending on the errors the compiler throws us, throws to us. Acknowledgement, animations, alternate names for NPCs, head part, TF sound, or remove web marks, and muscle score for NPCs. Well, I mean, yeah, it makes sense. It will not have any problems with the file types because we are actually defining them through this function. So yeah, there should be no problem. Okay, so saving was correct. We just need to check on the loading. Yeah, let's just compile again just to be sure. Yeah. Okay, switching screens again. Um, uh, well. Okay, there you go. Okay, so again, no. Okay, this is working now. Okay, so doing a quick check. Stamina, combat, and movement are 0. Boost carry weight is 0. Yeah, 25 minus 90%. Okay, so we do. Oh, what is happening here? Yeah, I forgot about that. I need to fix that. Okay, no problem. Load. We need to load. Do you want to load? All your current settings will be overridden. Accept. Settings could not be loaded, apparently. Okay, yeah. I will check on that. It's probably a situation um, with the um, with extension probably. So yeah. Okay, so going back to the code. I hate this. Doesn't work correctly. Well. Anyways. Um, we just need to add. What is going on here? This is the problem, not something else. Oh gods. Yeah, my mistake again. Oh no, it's not my mistake. It was okay. I just had to remove. Yep, that was a problem. That was a problem. Okay. Again. Let's try again. Um, there you go. By the way, now that I think of it, we cannot just load a bunch of values. We need to actually apply the effect to them. So I still need to check on that because yeah, it's not as simple as just loading the values. But it's getting kind of late for me, so I will have to leave that for another day. For now, I just want to check if the basic loading is working properly. I forgot to fix the order of the options. Yeah. Has been loaded successfully. Okay, let's check then. So yeah, for example, stamina, combat proficiency, and movement speed is not only about changing the value. We actually need to apply those values to the through the Skyrim engine to make any effect on your character. Um, Multipliers is okay. They are just values. Malnourishment is also just a value. No need to apply that. Same with custom muscle for NPCs. So yeah, uh, we need to actually check for several of these values to do the required process to apply those changes in the game, not just loading those values. So yeah, there is that. There is that very important thing to be aware of. But yeah, that will be everything for me today. Um, I mean, it's kind of working. I still need to go through several other stuff, but the the heavier stuff is already implemented. Um, Profiles sounds like it could be complicated, but it will take from the code from Morphs. So I hope it will not be that hard and time consuming. So yeah, just try that. Again, yeah, this is the something I wanted to do. It is not as simple as you can see. I mean, I still kind of get a little distracted sometimes, so it's part my fault, I guess. I need to focus more on this. So yeah, at least I have a good idea what I need to do to fix, to improve, and to hopefully make it a full-fledged, properly working feature of my mode. Um, so yeah, that's it for me today. Thanks for watching, and I will keep updating my Patreon page. I'm trying to make all of my posts public because as of right now, I don't have anything paywalled in my Patreon. Everything is free for you to use. My Patreon for now is just to have people to help me um, get some extra income for me to be able to focus more on this mod making journey of mine. Still, I don't want to put my mods behind a paywall. I don't think that's a good idea, mostly because I don't feel my mods are that high quality. They are not too complex. They are little gimmicks. You could call that. It is it is it still takes some effort, but it's nothing compared to other mod creators like the ones that make new armors or the ones that make new animations. That shit takes a lot of time. I know I have seen some of the how do they work, and yeah, it is time consuming. So and yet they also um, offer their content for free anyway. So I feel it's only fair for me to do the same, to still keep offering my mods for free, uh, and only have Patreon to for any you to allow for any of you to help me a little with my income, which is very appreciated. Not obligatory. It certainly is not obligatory. It's just that this is still a hobby for me. I still need to have a proper job to um, pay for rent and food and everything else. Sadly, that is something I need to be aware of. I don't want to have to eat grass or something like that. But yeah, um, that's it. Thanks for watching again, and we will be I will be seeing you, or I still need to think what my greetings and farewells should be. But yeah, I mean, you know my socials. You can mm, come by any of them. I still need to update the link for my DeviantArt page. I mean, if you are here watching this video, you probably come from my DeviantArt page, but I don't know. I am just guessing, so yeah, I need to add that. All of this originated because of the shit I posted in my DeviantArt page, so I need to give proper um, recon recognition to that. But yeah, again, see you later, and